What's up guys, Lewis back with another video, and jumping straight into it, we're unboxing a couple of things today. The first one is going to be from Sato Works, so yeah, let's show you. We have my custom sunstrip that says Lewis Morris Media in Japanese, but I'll show you that when I unravel it in a second. Got this Haribo, yes, nice touch, I like it. I got my Omamari charm that goes around my gear shifter, so it's like a weekend warrior samurai. I'll show you that when I open it better. Little gold sticker, quite like the little samurai sort of design. Air freshener, because it was only a couple of quid, thought I might as well get a samurai air freshener, JDM. And then just loads of stickers. So let's have a look at what stickers we've got. So yeah, just like a little sticker pack where I've got loads of random stickers. I'll put them on the back of my MacBook, maybe like my wardrobe, in my car, maybe not too many in the car, but just a few. So yeah, there we go. It says Lewis Morris Media in Japanese, or katakana is the correct term. So yeah, pretty sick. Can't wait to put that on. Obviously this comes off the little strip that protects the letters once you put it on, obviously. Unlike other sunstrip, this one's actually dry apply, so you don't put it on with wet like you normally would. So even though I do like it wet, screw. We're gonna put it on dry, so. This could be a long process, we'll come back when it's done. So we pretty much have it on. I've just got to do the edges all the way around, but I'm pretty happy with that. That looks sick. Yes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. So much better on the inside. Much better than using these. Look. Right, so we've got some deliveries to open. We've got the Driftworks and the talking one, so let's unbox this. Talking, little sticker in there, okay. More my boob! The NRG short hub, which I'm pretty sure you can see what's coming next. Again, we've got NRG. Yes. Quick release. Woohoo, that's sick. Yes. This is the one that dings. I would like to see. There's not car parts without stickers. Oh yeah. So I've got black locking nuts because I've ordered the wrong one. So yeah, that's just for the wheels. Know what's coming next. Woohoo! Got a Driftworks suede steering wheel. The reason I got a Driftworks one, it's a little bit cheaper, is because I want to see if I like the feel of having an aftermarket steering wheel first before spending like 450 quid on a Vertex. Got some sweets. Yeah man, sick. A bit of a closer look, which would be better, but you've got the short hub. You've got the Generation 2 ding-in, oh come on, quick release. So it's the one that spins and then dings. So, like I said, in-store video coming literally next. Stickers and that. Obviously in the short hub you get all the parts for it. So it's just a Driftworks suede one. It actually feels so good and it's got a horn as well. So be able to keep that. But yeah, it feels sick. Solid as well, like 80 quid. Like I said, I'm just gonna use it and see if I prefer it. And then see if I wanna get like a Vertex one or a 326 power or Ghetto Works one or something. Okay, so the one from Australia just showed up. This is from Likewise. So let's open this one and see what's in it. All the way from Australia, you know. Ooh. Yes, paper! I'm joking. But we've got the gear shifter. Oh, that's so much better in person. Yeah! Yeah, that's sick. That is blessed. Got the inserts. And then we've got the... Yeah, it kind of locks in underneath this. And then shift boot. Oh, sick, there we go. Likewise. Oh, that's definitely going in the car. Today's! Sick, that's jokes. Cool. So there we are, there's all the unboxing. I thought I'd just do a short little video just to kind of keep something on the channel going, as I've got a lot of stuff going on that I'm like trying to catch up with, editing client work and stuff, and I feel like I've kind of slacked a little bit on the actual 350 build series, so here's a little something just to keep you kind of intrigued. So the next videos on the build will be installing steering wheel, the quick release, and obviously all the other parts like the gear shifter. I've installed a shift boot, but I've just not done a video on it, so I'm probably going to throw it all into one video, or do gear shifter and boot as one video and the steering wheel quick release as a separate video. Yeah, I think I'll do that, just to keep it short and sweet. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, sound bless.